Hey, I ain't politicking with nobody. Living for the kingdom ain't a hobby. And I know the system moving sloppy. I ain't worried, no, the king got me. We need more Christ
in the world of decentralized finance. Ever wondered how to generate rewards with your cryptocurrency holdings? Today, we're diving into the concept of yield farming, a powerful tool in DeFi. Yield farming, also known as liquidity mining, allows you to earn rewards by providing liquidity to a pool. But how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you deposit your funds into a liquidity pool. These pools power the marketplace where users can lend, borrow, or exchange tokens. In return, you receive LP tokens, which represent your share of the pool and the income it generates. But remember, yield farming isn't without risks. It's crucial to understand these before diving in. One of the risks is impermanent loss, which can occur when the price of your deposited tokens changes compared to when you deposited them. However, with careful strategy and risk management, yield farming can be a rewarding venture. Advanced strategies like compound farming and leveraged yield farming can maximize your returns. Ready to get started? First, you'll need a wallet that supports Ethereum, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Next, choose a DeFi platform. Popular choices include Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Yearn Finance. Then, deposit your tokens into a liquidity pool and start earning rewards. Remember, always do your research and understand the risks before you start yield farming. Unlock the power of yield farming in DeFi, and take control of your financial future.
Hey, I ain't politicking with nobody. Living for the kingdom ain't a hobby. And I know the system moving sloppy. I ain't worried, no, the king got me. We need more Christ in the world.